In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage the followers of your company channel so that you can prospect to them in your territory. Follow me. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, check the alert notification button here. Okay, now I went into LinkedIn Sales Navigator to try to find all of the followers that are following our company and figure out how to develop a target market campaign to them. But LinkedIn changed it up on me and I couldn't find it. So I'm going to show you how to find it now and show you how you can leverage this as a lead list. Okay. The first thing you want to do is come here to LinkedIn Sales Navigator and click on Lead Filters. Now, once you click on there, you'll land on this screen here. Now, it's over here under Lead section. Now, what you need to look at is if you scroll down right here to Spotlights, and you click on Spotlights, you can see everyone following your company right here. Now, if you click on that, it shows over 11,000 results. We have 13,000 followers on the Vingresso company channel. Now, interestingly enough, here under activities and shared experiences, normally when you add on any one of these filters here on Navigator, it is an and scenario. So if I said, I want to look at everybody who's following my company and I selected first degree, this number over here is going to go down to 1,500 people. So normally these filters are an and scenario. However, I want to point something out to you that's extremely important here under Spotlight. If you add on posted on LinkedIn in the last 30 days, this becomes an or scenario. So you can see here, there's 25 million results. Everyone who's posted on LinkedIn in 30 days or who's following your company. Now, I think LinkedIn has really messed that up, but nonetheless, that's the platform. So for all these other filters, it is an and scenario, except for the Spotlight. And that was really tripping me up. So I want to make sure that you're aware of that. Now, going back to everybody who's following your company, how might you leverage this as a prospecting opportunity? Well, if you are, say, in a geography that is in California, I want to look at all people who are following my company out of California. Now, if I really want to make this right, you can see I have 848 results. I want to look at everybody who is following my company that may be a first degree connection. First degree connections are people that are already warm in your network. This might be a great way to start a prospecting campaign. Alternatively, I can look at all my second degree connections and know that these individuals that are following my company are most likely people that are interested in what you have to offer in terms of your company services or portfolio. So there you go. That's how you do it. You can use these filters to create an and scenario and narrow down your list to, in this case, 331 people by targeting all of those that are following your company. So with that tip, you want to make sure that you are sorting all of those people following your company every month so that you can sort and search and engage. Most likely, these are prospects that are engaging with your company on the social channels, but are not inside of your CRM. In fact, majority of the folks that I find are not in our CRM. They are using social media to find and get information about our company. So there you have it. That's your prospecting technique. And make sure that you look at Fly Message Sales Pro Plan that will help you learn all of these engagement strategies and provide you Fly Message, the productivity text expander and writing assistant to help you write these messages and engage directly on LinkedIn, especially using our LinkedIn integration technique in Fly Message. Go to flymessage.io. Take a look at that. And until the next video, talk to you later.